Hello dear students, this is Dr. Vaishali Jain, your English teacher. So today we are going to focus on the chapter entitled Silk Road, which is written by a well-known and great author Nick Middleton, and this is prescribed in your 11th class book named Hornbill. So my dear students, let's go through the characters first. So in this story we don't have too much characters. There are total 5 characters, right? So let's see. Nick Middleton, the author himself, then Lahamo, then Saturn, Daniel and Norbu. So my dear students, as the story will get developed, no, we will come to know about these characters step by step. Then that will be very easy for all of you to understand it. Now let's focus over the summary, detailed summary of the chapter. Hope you will get it nicely. Just focus now. So, the author of the story, Nick Middleton, describes his journey to Mount Kailash in Silk Road. And in order to complete his Kora, my dear students, there is a word Kora. It means pilgrimage, Tirth Yatra, right? So, the author wishes to visit Mount Kailash, thus he hires Saturn so that he gets someone for driving him up to the mountains. And while he was parting with Lahamo, he receives a long-sleeved sheepskin coat as a farewell gift. So this point is to be remembered, right? Now, in order to get companionship, the author takes Daniel with him till Darchan. केवल Darchan तक ही Daniel author मतलब Nick Middleton के साथ रहता है. This point is to be remembered also. Now, upon his starting journey, Saturn takes a shortcut to the southwest because he is just brilliant in his work, right? वो एक guide है, उसको सारे shortcuts पता है. So they learn they will nomads homes. Nomad means खाना बदोश, right? So nomad homes and see a Tibetan mastiff guarding the tents. When they reach near the tents, the dogs with large jaws ran after their car, and upon entering the valleys, they witnessed mountains and rivers covered with snow and ice. Means उनको gut feeling थी कि उनको मे बी स्नो मिल सकता है, so it will be very tough for them to complete the Kora means pilgrimage. But अगर वहाँ snowfall नहीं हुआ तो it will be very cozy pilgrimage. But वहाँ snowfall हो जाता है, बर्फ होती है, तो they will have to face a lot of problems, right? वैसे भी no pain no gain like that. So let's continue. The ride on the hill starts turning bumpier and sharper. Obviously जैसे जैसे उनकी हाइट बढ़ती है माउंटेन एरिया की, तो वो ज़्यादा बम्पियर और शार्पर होते जाते हैं कर्व्स. Now as they reached higher, the author means Nick Middleton could feel the pressure and noticed they were at 5,210 meters above the sea level. And after clearing the first hurdle of snow-filled roads, they were on and about, and the author starts feeling uneasy due to the height and the pressure. Now at around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, they stop for a lunch. Now this point is also to be remembered. Now finally they reach a small town named Hor in late afternoon. H-O-R, Hor. ये एक town का नाम है जहाँ पर वो रुके थे. And the author took a break in Hor and sat at the local cafe sipping on tea. मतलब टी enjoy करने के लिए, right? Now during this time, Saturn got the car fixed and Daniel left for Lhasa. From now only. Now the author did not like Hor too much in the beginning only. And then upon resuming the journey, they stay the night at a guest house in Darchan. और यहाँ पर डार्चन में उसको बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्थ इश्यूज होते हैं, एंड देन दे हैड टू गो टू द डार्कन मेडिकल कॉलेज ऑल्सो. वहाँ पर उनको एक तिब्बतियन डॉक्टर मिलता है. नाउ सेट यहाँ पर फिर लैंग्वेज इश्यूज भी हम देखते हैं, राइट? नाउ बिकॉज निक मिडल्टन इज अ पर्सन हु ओनली नोज इंग्लिश. Now we see how he suffers from nose congestion due to the altitude change and chilly weather, and he goes to see Tibetan doctor also and receives a 5-day course medication. So 5-day course medication था उसका. This point is also to be remembered. Now finally after that he feels better and enjoys his days at Darchan where he meets another pilgrim named Norbu. केवल उसको एक ही बंदा मिलता है, Norbu, who is also a pilgrim और जिसको इंग्लिश बोलनी आती है. Actually it is just the starting of the pilgrimage season, right? So अभी तक ज़्यादा pilgrims आए नहीं हैं, तो that's why जो हमारे ऑथर हैं निक मिडल्टन, इन स्टार्टिंग ही वॉज नॉट फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल और वो थोड़ा लोनली फील कर रहे थे, बट एज सुन एज ही फाइंड्स नोरबुनो सो ही इज कंफर्टेबल नाउ एट डार्चन he had no pilgrims. The author finds relief and decides to complete his pilgrimage with Norbu only. Now finally they hire yaks for their luggage and Norbu gives up while collapsing across the table and laughing, and Norbu says it would not be possible for him as he had a big tummy. Okay, so it's all about the chapter. Now let's see, to sum up Silk Road summary, we learn about the author's journey through the Silk Road and the determination of pilgrim and the hardships they face. So my dear students, to Silk Road, right, Silk Road नाम इसलिए दिया गया है चैप्टर को, let me clear you now only, क्योंकि इस रूट से पहले सिल्क, स्पाइसेस, हॉर्सेस, इन चीज़ों का इम्पोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट होता था, राइट. तो दैट्स वाई, क्योंकि सिल्क वॉज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मटीरियल विच वॉज बींग ट्रांसपोर्टेड एट दैट टाइम, राइट. सो इसलिए इसको सिल्क रोड नाम दिया गया है. एंड देयर इज़ अ कंट्रास्ट कि सिल्क रोड नाम है, लगता है देखने में कोजी कोजी है, बट इट इज़ नॉट दैट मच ईजी. जो पिलग्रिमेज है वो बहुत टफ है. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट द चैप्टर. आई होप यू गॉट इट नाइसली. और इसमें हमें जो मॉरल मैसेज मिलता है दैट इज़ कि जो उनका पिलग्रिमेज था ना, that depends on the firm determination of the particular pilgrim. Only then he or she will be able to complete the Kora, means pilgrimage, Tirth Yatra. So my dear students, it's all about the chapter. Now you are also supposed to answer some of the questions here in the comment section, just to have an idea that how much do you know about this story. And if you have any doubt, if you have any doubt, so you are supposed to go through the video once more just to have your doubts clear. And until the next video, keep learning and be safe. Thank you.